So, one of the global directors at BlackRock, the Cabal, has said Bitcoin might actually do extremely well in a recession, and a recession might be a catalyst for Bitcoin. Is he insane? Or does he know something that we don't know? Because he is from BlackRock, and people believe that BlackRock has magical powers to do anything that they want. Recently, Bitcoin's been following the stock market, and it should point to that a recession is very, very bad for Bitcoin. Now, the past two recessions have been in 2020 and 2022. 2020, we got out of that by the second half of 2020, and then 2021 was pretty good. 2022, we basically just dumped through the floor. And that recession we got out of by the end of 2022 as well. So we've never been in a sustained recession. We don't know how Bitcoin will actually act. But by the movements of the last few weeks, I can kind of assume that Bitcoin is going to follow the economy. And if we have a sustained recession, it's not going to be good for Bitcoin either. So that's kind of my guess. I just find this kind of weird that BlackRock's guy would actually say this. I think he sees crypto as a hedge against inflation. The guy that said this is called Robbie Mitchnick, and he's the global head of digital assets at BlackRock. And he said a potential U.S. recession could act as a powerful driver for Bitcoin's next bull cycle, citing liquidity injections and fiscal responses as key catalysts. Speaking with Yahoo Finance on Wednesday, Mitchnick explained that while Bitcoin has historically been perceived as digital gold, recent price action has fallen short of its reputation. Bitcoin's not as stable as gold. It's not really a hedge against, it has not been a hedge against the rest of the market. And he's saying the crypto market may have gotten ahead of itself with expectations about how fast deregulation and other catalysts would arrive. That might be it because, people got super hyped up about Trump coming aboard. But I did see a direct response when Trump introduced the tariffs. And I think that's the main culprit. So even though BlackRock says a recession would be a catalyst for Bitcoin and would make it go to all-time highs, I just don't see it, and I don't agree with BlackRock. I know, shocker. You're always supposed to agree with BlackRock. But I think what's going to increase, I do think leverage trading is going to increase. And although I am generally against leverage trading because it is a good way to lose your money, I am an affiliate of BitUnix, and that will be in the description. So if you're interested in, leverage trading, check out my BitUnix link. It would help me out a lot. And if you're interested in buying a new hard wallet, check out Lipple Titan Wallet. By the way, since people aren't donating to me during the live streams, you might as well donate to me by losing your money in a leverage trading because, if you're going to do it anyways, why not get some of the commissions to me? Thank you. That is it for today. Like and subscribe, hit the bell notifications button, and I will see you guys later.